Our flaky all butter pie crust filled with a tangy, lemony custard topped with billowy whipped meringue. Wait, what? You want to make a scrumptious, sensational, spectacular homemade lemon meringue pie? Well, you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you how. Let's go. To begin, we're going to need to make our never fail all butter pie dough. Flour and salt with unsalted butter. Then it's a drizzle of water boosted with egg and white vinegar. Our recipe yields 2 discs of dough. You'll need 1 for this recipe. About an hour later, after the dough is chilled, we're rolling it out into a round on a floured surface. Then transfer it to a pie plate. We're gonna trim, crimp, dock with a fork, then chill the pie shell for 30 minutes. While that pie shell is chilling, let's do this. Lemons, between 3 and 5 depending on size. We're gonna give them a rinse, then dry, give them a roll to release those lemony juices. Now we run a microplane across the skin. We're looking for about a tablespoon of zest. If more makes it in the pie, don't worry about it. Cut the lemons in half. We're gonna give them a juice. We're gonna reserve that juice. Pulp is okay, seeds are not. We're looking for half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Eggs. You're gonna need 5 for the recipe. Organic is suggested. Having them at room temperature is essential. We divide them carefully. Whites go into a small bowl, the yolks go into a larger one. Right about now that shell is chilled, so preheat your oven to 375 degrees. The rack is in the bottom position. Add foil to the shell, pull it in tight to the edge. Then we're adding pie weights. If you don't have pie weights, beans or rice will work. Transfer that prep shell to the oven, blind bake for 15, then carefully remove the foil and the weights. We're then gonna bake for 5 minutes more. We're looking for a light golden. Remove from the oven, we're gonna leave it to the side. Next component, a lemony custard, and trust us, this is way better, like as in way better than a store-bought alternative. It's also easy to make. Watch. A pan on stovetop. We're adding sugar, cornstarch, kosher salt, stir to combine, add water, stir, add milk, and we're gonna stir everything together until the sugar dissolves. Turn your heat onto medium, and we're gonna heat until the mixture comes to temperature, and when it does, it's kind of like magic. It's gonna thicken up and look like this. Transfer that pan to our workstation. Remember those egg yolks? We're gonna whisk them together. Then, with a ladle, slowly drizzle in about 1 cup of that hot milky custard in with the yolks. This is going to temper the yolks. We're gonna do this addition slowly, little by little, but whisk continuously. Pot goes back to the stove, reduce the temperature to low. We're gonna add yolks plus lemon juice, zest, and butter. Just like that, custard's done. Last step, we're putting those egg whites to good use. We're making a meringue. Stand mixer, add the egg whites, add cream of tartar to stabilize, plus kosher salt. Then with the mixer running on a medium setting, we're gonna beat until light and frothy, and then 1 tablespoon at a time, we're adding extra fine sugar. Once all the sugar is added, we're gonna increase the speed to high and whip for about 2 minutes until you have glossy meringue. It should look like this. Shell, lemon custard, and whipped meringue. Now we assemble a homemade lemon meringue pie. There's the blind baked shell. We're gonna add the still warm lemon custard filling. You're gonna smooth it out to an even layer. Then the meringue. I kind of do blobs over the entire surface. Then you can go back to make sure the meringue goes right to the edge of the shell, and then you can do little wispy, peaky bits. Oven temperature is reduced to 350. The pie is going in and we're baking for 15 to 20 minutes. We want to get those glorious golden brown hues on the top of the meringue. I love the look of this finished pie. Once the pie's out of the oven, don't be mad at me. You gotta wait for 4 hours. The pie needs to cool down and set. But once it has set, you're gonna do this. Mason jar filled with boiling water. We're going to temper a sharp knife and then cut wedges straight down and through to the crust pie lifter. Beautiful. And then over to dessert plates. But if you think this looks good, wait until you make your own at home. We know you can do this. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Watching us on YouTube, drop us comments, thumbs up, and tell all your friends about our videos. This pie is ready to be enjoyed. Flaky crust, lemony custard, whipped meringue. A homemade lemon meringue pie. First bite, lots of tang. And goosebumps too. Amazing. What a pie!